I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to access online store settings. So what we're going to have to do here is, first to enter the store management area, we're going to have to edit our website. So let's click on website here, and from here we're going to click on edit website. Now once we are here, we're going to have to go to online store. So here on the left, we're going to find online store. Click on online store please, and select manage store. Okay, and just click on manage store please, and from here what we're gonna have to do is to go to here. We can go to online store, and once we are here on the online store, we can let's say if you want to manage to access your online store settings, basically you can click on settings, and then from here you can change store name. You can add taxes, checkout, invoices. You can also from here go to orders. You can, for instance, you can click on here and cancel order if maybe you're looking for that. But basically that's where you need to go to your online store settings. Just click on manage store, and then from there you're gonna find settings. Okay, and then from here we can go to emails, we can go to checkout, shipping, contact information, and store settings. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more tutorials.